Portable monitor, Lepow 15.6-inch Full HD 1080p USB Type-C computer display IPS screen with HDMI Type-C speakers for laptop PC PS4's box phone included smart cover and screen protector black. FHD 1080p IPS screen Lepow USB C 1920-1080 portable monitor delivers a truly immersive viewing experience that lets you enjoy high-definition entertainment and gaming. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS screen uses eye protection that keeps your eyes from getting tired during prolonged use. Versatile digital connectivity mini HDMI and USB-C ports design makes this portable gaming monitor more convenient to connect to your laptop, smartphone, PC, PS3, PS4, Xbox X1, or Nintendo Switch etc. It's ideal for extending your screen or playing games on business trip, travel, or home entertainment. Stand cover and screen protector Lepow have added a smart cover and a screen protector to fully protect our monitor. The cover case is made of PU leather to provide excellent protection for the entire monitor and can be folded into different positions to create a stand. The protective film prevents the screen from being scratched. Slim, lightweight and portable with a slim 0.3-inch profile and just 1.76 pounds, Lepow 15.6-inch portable monitor is ideal for your life and work to make a simple setup on the go dual monitor and mobile presentations. Dual speakers and HDR Mode 2 built-in speakers efficiently helps display multimedia files, especially when listen to music, watch movies, play games. HDR modes support excellent mainstream transmission so that you can enjoy great video transmission in game and other entertainment. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.